welcome to my channel. Rise up yourself. I'm Millitant Angel. It's the middle of the night around here in Kololi. Yeah, I was in my bed, me asleep, and then something woke me up, and I said, let me. Anyway, I know you can't see nothing. I know you can't see nothing, but listen. Listen. Oh, listen. I hope you can even hear. Oh, listen. Listen to that. Excuse me. You know where I am? I'm on my balcony, right? I'm at home in my bed. I'm on my balcony of my bedroom. Listen. Wow, that's coming from either Willie's nightclub or Queen's. I'm not sure which one it is. It's one of them two. So that's how near I am to them. Oh, it's making me feel like I want to put on my clothes and go, but I won't. I just had to capture that for you. I just had to capture that. Oh. Oh. I should have put some light on or something, but if I put lights on, I'm gonna get insects coming. You can just hear the crowd as well. It sounds like maybe it's the artist. It sounds like maybe it's the artist that's there. So yeah, maybe it's the artist performing or something. But you know what? I was out Friday night, so I wasn't looking to go anywhere tonight.